Differences between most of the F1 has a different chassis. It's designed only for the F1s. Okay. The other ones, the chassis is designed for any other body that you want to put on. F1s, they are a little bit longer in wheelbase, a little bit better traction because of the tires are wider, and it's a lot lower to the ground, so it's more stable. The standard full body chassis, like I said, they'll fit any body, any tire, any configuration you want to make. They're two-wheel drive. Both of them are two-wheel drive. These actually will handle a little better, being that they can bump off the turns and still keep going. Anybody from 3 years old to 93 years old could use these. They have a blast of fun. They're very cheap. You can bounce them off walls and they keep going. You can get the sedans for anywhere from $119 to $149 depending on the body. The Formula Ones are always $159.
My son's catching on quickly. He's doing a good job. I can't seem to get the hang of it. Yeah, I just come out here and get in the way. That's what I enjoy most.
I had a Mini Z I bought many months, actually like a year ago, never ran it. And one day Mark had this track built and I said, whoa, I gotta come out here and run. And since that day, it's been awesome.
You can crash into a wall pretty hard and it won't do nothing. It'll just maybe scratch the body and that's about it. And usually parts are cheap. All you need is pretty much batteries and that's it. Any ages. Just like kids my age. A lot of adults do it, a lot of kids do it. I've hopped it up with a shot, a clear green chassis. I put a black stripe with the stock chassis mount. Got a aftermarket shock, banged up antenna, which is really not what I prefer, but I got aluminum back mount. I got a ball diff, aluminum rims, aluminum lock nuts, which are a lot better because they won't screw off and they don't strip out as much. And the blue piece right there, that helps a lot because it puts in more toe in or toe out, and that it controls the car a lot better. So
you did all that yourself? Put all those parts on your car yourself?
Yeah, it's really easy. It comes with instructions and stuff if you need it. And also you have the people here to help you if you need it.